Hello students, in this question we have been given that a bullet of 10 gram leaves the barrel of the gun with a velocity of 600 meter per second, and if the barrel of the gun is 50 centimeter long and mass of the gun is 3 kg, then value of impulse supplied to the gun will be, and the options are given here. So first of all, let's see the concept that we will use here to solve this question. So first of all, here we will see the conservation of linear momentum, and this is given by m1 times u1 plus m2 times u2 is equal to m1 times v1 plus m2 times v2. So this is for the condition. Suppose here we have an object which is having mass of m1 and initial speed is u1, and here we have another body which is having mass m2 and speed is u2, and they come to this direction and collide, and after collision they move apart. Suppose they again move apart in this direction with velocity v2, and this moves with velocity v1. So this is the first concept that we will use here. Second concept is impulse momentum theorem, and according to this theorem, impulse I is equal to change in the momentum, or we can write this as m times change in the velocity where m is constant. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे इन्हीं दोनों कॉन्सेप्ट का यूज करके इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व. सो यहाँ पे हमें एक गन दी हुई है. सो लेट्स ट्राई टू ड्रॉ a gun here, and let us consider that here we have a bullet, and then this bullet is fired from this barrel, and here it comes out with some velocity. So here we will write that mass of the gun is given as 3 kg and initial speed of the gun is 0 since it is at rest. This bullet is moving in this barrel with a speed of 600 meter per second. So here we will write initial speed of the bullet is 600 meter per second, and it will come out with velocity vv, and due to this it will recoil this gun with a velocity of vg. So all the data we have been given here. So first of all, let's apply the conservation of momentum here. So here we will have mass of the gun multiplied by initial speed of the gun plus mass of the bullet multiplied by initial speed of the bullet equal to mass of the gun multiplied by final velocity of the gun plus mass of the bullet multiplied by final velocity of the bullet. So here mass of the gun is 3 and initial speed or initial velocity of the gun is 0 since it is at rest. Then plus mass of the bullet, which is given as 10 gram. So we can write this as 10 divided by 1000, so that we will get this mass in kg, and then multiplied by initial speed, this is 600 equal to mass of the gun is again 3 and vg is unknown to us, plus here mass of the bullet is again 10 divided by 1000, and now this velocity of bullet will become 0 at the end. So here we can solve this as 6, because here 2 0 and this 1 0 will cancel all these 3 0, and this is equal to 3 times vg, and therefore this vg will be equal to 6 divided by 3, which is equal to 2 meter per second. So here we have calculated this recoil velocity of the gun. Now we will use impulse momentum theorem. So from here we can write this I is equal to delta P, or we can write this as m times delta V of gun. तो यहाँ से हम लोग इसको लिख सकते हैं I equal to mass of the gun is 3 and change in the velocity of the gun will be 2 minus 0, and now this will be in newtons second. So on solving this we will get impulse I equal to 6 Newton second. So finally we can write that impulse is equal to 6 Newton second, and this is the final answer of the given question. and if we see the options given, then we can say option B is the correct choice. I hope you understood the solution. Thank you.